Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your smart trunk on the 2022 Kia Stinger. I have in front of me here a GT Elite all-wheel drive suede package in snow white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head into the 10.25-inch infotainment screen. You can either press the setup button on the right here or from the main screen. If we swipe to the left, setup's in the bottom right-hand corner. So we'll go into the setup. We're going to go into vehicle. Then on the left-hand side, we're going to scroll to door. And then in the middle, we're going to scroll up and make sure that the smart liftgate is checkmarked on. Now that it's on, let's go outside and see it in action. Okay, now that we're outside, I do have the key fob in my hand. So once I walk up to the back of the vehicle, it's going to detect that I'm getting close. It's going to start to beep. As soon as it hits like the fourth beep, then the hatch is just going to go ahead and power open for us. And all I had to do was just kind of walk close to it. Right now, the doors are all locked, and the only door that's unlocked is the hatch. So as soon as I go to close it, you'll see that the lights flash, and now it's relocked all of the doors. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.